Book 2, 4th week. 1. Salutation to Sun, Surya namaskar. 2. Lion posture, Simhasana. 3. Finger tension, Hastapawanmukta. 4. Headstand, tripod, lotus, PADMA SALAMBA SHIRSHASANA. 1. Kneel down. Place hands on the floor on either side of the knees. 2. Bend to rest the crown of the head on the floor to form a triangle with hands. 3. Complete 2-2-3 breathing rounds. 4. Breathing in, raise the body and take small steps forward until the trunk is perpendicular to the floor and your legs rise off the floor. 5. Bend knees, toes pointing up. Breathe out. 6. Breathing in. Raise thighs in line with body and slowly straighten legs, toes pointing up. 7. Bend the right knee and place the right foot in front of the left thigh. Place left foot on right ankle. 8. Maintain posture for 3-2-5 breathing rounds. 9. Breathing out, undo legs. Reverse steps and slowly lower your legs to rest your knees on the floor. 10. Sit back on heels. Rest forehead on arms. Complete 3-2-5 breathing rounds. To avoid the risk of vertigo, never try to sit or stand up abruptly after a headstand. 11. Relax in corpse posture for at least 5 minutes.
5. Extended hand to foot posture, UTHITTA PADANGUSTA ASANA. 1. Stand legs together, arms alongside body. Tadasana. 2. Breathe out. Raise the left knee and hold the foot with both hands. 3. Breathe in. Stretch left leg. 4. Raise your leg as high as possible. 5. Hold posture for 2-2-3 breathing rounds. 6. Repeat on the opposite side. 7. Relax.
6. Shoulder stand, half lotus, EKPADA PADMA SARVANGASANA. And 7. Shoulder stand, lotus, URDHVA PADMA SARVANGASANA. 1. Lie on your back, legs together, arms alongside your body, palms down. 2. Breathing out, raise your legs towards the head. Place hands against back to support hips. 3. Breathing in, raise legs perpendicular to the floor, toes pointing up. Keep your chin pressed against the chest. Breathe out. 4. Breathing in, bend the right knee, and place the right foot in front of the left thigh. EKPADA PADMA SARVANGASANA. 5. Maintain posture. Complete 3-5 breathing rounds. 6. Repeat on the opposite side. 7. Next, place the right foot in front of the left thigh. Place left foot on right ankle. URDHVA PADMA SARVANGASANA. 8. Maintain posture. Complete 3-5 breathing rounds. 9. Unlock feet. 10. Breathing out, lower legs towards the head. 11. Breathing in, lower arms to the floor alongside the body. Slowly lower back first, then legs to the floor. 12. Relax. 8. Shoulder rolling posture, Grivavartasana. 9. Shoulder raising posture, Bahuvartenasana. These two postures should always be done after any shoulder stand posture. Once the daily series over, meditate for 15 to 20 minutes or more. Then relax for 5 minutes in corpse posture, Shavasana.